Do you know we can buy a house just like buying a car? Yes, we have prefabricated expandable container house solutions. The houses are made in size of 320 feet or 40 feet containers, with bedrooms, bathroom, living room and kitchen. Total area can be 36 or 72 square meters. Moreover, the house layouts are optional. The outlook can be customized in patterns and colors as required. And the finished house are folded to fitting for all HQ containers for delivery, with 5 steps to unpack the house completely in half an hour. And you will own your house right away and enjoy the life. Want to know more details? Try to contact Andrew here, as the email and phone number below.